Hello students, this question is taken from test series 3 EE from the subject power system from the topic symmetrical components and fault calculations, and it is of linked data question for the question number 52 and 53. It is of 2 marks. This is the first part of linked data question. In the given question, a 3-phase 100 MVA 11 kV synchronous generator having the negative sequence reactance, that is X2 is equal to 0.5 pu and X0, which is the zero sequence reactance, is equal to 0.05 pu. It is given X0 of zero sequence reactance, that is X0 is equal to 0.05 pu, and for negative sequence reactance X2 is equal to 0.5 pu. The generator is star connected and it is neutral is effectively grounded, which is nothing but the neutral is effectively grounded and it is star connected. A 3-phase fault at the terminals of a generator with fault MVA of 200 MVA, which is nothing but given the fault at the terminals of the generator with fault MVA of 200 MVA. Given fault MVA is 200 and we have to find the value of positive sequence reactance. It's nothing but we have to find the value of positive sequence reactance, that is X1 is equal to how much, which is nothing but we know the value of negative sequence reactance, hence we know the positive sequence reactance is equal to the negative sequence reactance, which is nothing but we know that the value of positive sequence reactance is equal to the negative sequence reactance. We know the value of negative sequence reactance. Then we can find the value of positive sequence reactance, that is X1 is equal to X2, which is X1 is equal to positive sequence reactance, X2 is negative sequence reactance. So value of negative sequence reactance X2 is given as 0.5 pu. So the value of positive sequence reactance is 0.5 pu, which is option A. In this session, we have studied about how to calculate the value of positive sequence reactance. Thank you.